Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Pixellab with a project open. This matters because Pixellab only imports fonts when a canvas is active. Once done, download the Google fonts you want as TTF or OTF to your device's downloads or a dedicated fonts folder. Make sure to grant Pixellab storage permission in Android settings so the app can read those files. Now navigate to the text tool. We proceed immediately to import. This step links device files to Pixellab's custom font list. Once you open the text tool, tap the font dropdown and choose Import Font. Use the file picker to navigate to your Downloads or Fonts folder, then select the TTF or OTF file. Pixellab will add it to the Custom tab. Make sure to import each weight separately, so regular, bold, italic are individual entries. After importing, name fonts clearly if prompted, because organized names speed future design work. Now test a sample text layer to confirm glyphs and spacing render correctly. To finish, select your imported font from Pixellab's custom tab and apply it to the text layer, then tweak size, letter spacing, and line height to match your design. If characters look blank or wrong, check that you downloaded the proper TTF/OTF variant. Some symbol sets or languages need a different file. If import fails repeatedly, clear Pixellab's app cache or reinstall. This often fixes permission or indexing problems. Finally, save your project and back up the font files for reuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.